Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Shaista from Express Fairway Flight. Today we will discuss about import code. What is import code? In this age of cutthroat competition, everyone wants to grow their business beyond the limits of domestic market. However, doing business globally isn't just a cup of tea for everyone. Before going global, you need to follow several procedures and law in place to get different registration and license. Import code is one of such prerequisites when you are thinking of importing or exporting globally. It is also known as importer and exporter code. Import code is a code which is allotted by Dubai Custom for a company after successful approval from Registration Department of Dubai Customs. Documents required are company trade license, owner's passport, visa page copy, Emirates ID copy. As you get the import code, you are able to do import from all over the world according to your license activity, which is mentioned in your trade license. You can utilize our services for registration of import code in a seamless manner. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. I will leave our contact details in the description box. Thank you.